ain't fair, it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah.
Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello, my name is Asia. Today I'm just going to be showing y'all how I do my press-on nails. As you can see, I'm prepping, I'm pushing my cuticles back, and then everything that I'm using, it will be a detailed step-by-step tutorial. I've done a video before, but since this is matte black, why not? Now the glue that I am using is Kiss brush nail glue. They also have the Kiss pink nail glue. I use that one a lot. That one comes in a lot of my boxes when I get French tips or the nude tips. It comes in there, and the nails I always get is real short. So this is matte black Salon Kiss press on nails, and girl, my nails are still on to this day. Mind you, this video is kind of old. I just didn't have the chance to post it on my channel, but now my nails is literally still on. If you go to my TikToks, you see I still have on these same press on nails. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not gonna lie, Kiss press on nails is really the go. Like, I cannot tell you the last time I've been inside a nail salon. I even use press-on nails for my toes. This saves me a lot of money, and I like saving a lot of money. I used to be that girl going into the nail salon, spending $200 every 2 weeks. Girl, no. I'm happy that I know how to do my nails. I'm happy I know how to buff and file them so they can last. And that's one thing you have to do when you're doing press-on nails. Yeah, I get a lot of questions. Why my nails don't last? Why my nails don't last? They don't work for me. You have to buff and file your nails. Like I'm doing this step, you have to do that because you have oils on your nails. So do not skip that step. That's the most important step. Buff, file your nails, push your cuticles back, and you will see a big difference with these press-on nails, honey, because Kiss got my money for life. I'm sorry. I just love it. I'm not telling y'all to go out and spend your money, but I'm telling y'all to go out and spend your money. Because once you get addicted to press-on nails, you ain't going back to the nail salon to get your nails done. Even the toes, girl. Girl, get used to just doing your feet in the shower, scrubbing your feet, soaking them, putting some press-on toenails on your toes. Girl, I'm trying to save y'all money. We already in another COVID season. What was that, Florona? I don't even know. But, girl, you will not catch me in the nail salon. I'm sorry, you just won't. I don't know who mama need to hear this, but baby, when I file my nails down, that square shape just be giving. It be giving. It just gives. It gives what it's supposed to give. Like, I can't get enough of this. Like, look at that perfect square. Tell me this is not a perfect square. Like, this press-on nails is the go. Like, I'm really the go at this press-on nail game. Like, talk to me nice, not twice. Period. Now, I know this video was short. Don't be mad at me. But a weekly vlog will be coming. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, honey? Maybe it'll be a press on nails. Maybe it'll be a haul. Maybe it'll just be a weekly vlog. We just never know.